Here we have a beautiful 2013 Sea Ray 470 Sundancer. This boat is in excellent shape. Been serviced here by MarineMax. Cummins motors have 277 hour, 277 and 275 on the motors. Generator has 360 some hours. It comes with the white canvas, glass on the back. It also has the original black canvas, isinglass. It does have it, and it's in great shape too. Very nice. Do a quick walkthrough in cockpit here. It shows very little usage. Cabin area. Front stateroom. Let me turn this on. There's the galley lights in the back. And there's the extra canvas. Very nice boat.